one. Drumming a better ton, the son of ball-headed one. Found it was down a side, mine not the trigger, this vigorous emotion is better, but now I'm a den up. Try and combine a short wick with a quick temper. You close to the depth in a dark with your temper. You trap, no fragile, fragile as a thin branch. You got a better script, rhetoric will get avalanche. I'm stepping up the ball on my thumb to expand my fist quicker than expected, perfected. To land with this and clear me a path and knock you out while doing it. You open your mouth so damn much, your own foot fluent it. And you a man or a midget, you should call yourself kitchen ski. The way you be blowing the mic and throwing your shit at me, only crusty, dusty as chalk. I should touch your ears to your mouth and make you listen to yourself talk. Have you heard you yet? Obviously not. Otherwise you'd realize what a bag you sound like and stop. But don't chew with your mouth full. Don't chew with your mouth full. Cause if you chew with your mouth full, you'll end up biting your toes. 923-3694. Ding dong, wrong number. Now what do you want to die for? One man only, but to write it it took two. I'm shooting like a freelance and dancing all over you. Yeah, you bet you I'ma get you sooner or later. I'll find you, track you down, smack you down, blind you. The heat's out till you melted before you even felt it. Welted from being belted, tossing curves that are nerve-wracking. Earth slacking, I'm throwing pitches and switches, which is trickery, victories, repetitious. The weaker ones and over-eager ones will just get ate up. But many will often try to duplicate the style I made up. If I wait a bit, wouldn't matter, as slow as a paraplegic. Oops, you missed, here's my fist, eat it. But don't chew with your mouth full. Don't chew with your mouth full. Cause if you chew with your mouth full, you'll end up biting your toes. With the mentality of a gerbil, your brother used to just had. Your lips are becoming tapped from suckers so damn bad. You feel us of being downpour. It's a beginner break star, and when it takes off, I'm a pet. Question, should I break your face and take your place? Or to transfer the answer? Undoubtedly yes. Blocking your leader crash and knocking you back a mile. You swear we were twins if I've been over and cracked a smile. I'm going at him and splat him and trip him and laugh. Rip him in half, no regrouping, you're trooping. While I'm scooping, yet the beat from your forehead still shines like a flashlight. But I'm gonna turn you out, burn you out, you face defeat. Beat down by brain, I grab each other the vein to double the pain. You're struggling strain, but it's useless. Collapse in a lost fight, so hot you smolder, but coated in frostbite. You take out clues by yourself, take out this one. I'm a soloist, chaos is a soloist, big one. Either of us will put much tracks in your skull and put your crew in a pile and stack them up like a totem pole. I give you a chance to make a change of direction, or have a spot reserved in the handicap parking section. How the hell can you leave when you're trailing? You smooth sailing, hit a storm, it looks like you're failing. Let the band is stranded, empty-handed. Put so much as a toe in my way and get branded. I'm standing colossal, rack you out like a fossil. With a rap so hot, the brother snot in your nostrils. Fake you out, take you out with simplicity. I'm talking so bad, I'll make your shit electricity. Try and flip me, you rip me, you fucking sped. Bon appetit, eat the concrete, dickhead. But don't chew with your mouth full. Don't chew with your mouth full. Cause if you chew with your mouth full, you'll end up biting your toes. Oh, foolish one. Do not step to one to whom you cannot step to. When will he ever learn? I guess never.